this is Ned from GIM Security. I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to use the Nvms7000 on your PC. To start up your software, obviously you're going to click on your desktop and double click on Nvms7000. It will open up this screen. Your cameras will be on the left. To start up your cameras, you will just double click on the folder and it will start them up, and you will get the screen that I'm looking at right now. Most of the cameras that we set up are going to be on a substream, which is a lower quality stream, so it doesn't use too much memory on your computer. If I want to take a certain camera and turn it up in quality, if I want to see something a little better, what I would do is select it, and as soon as I select it, it highlights it on the left over here. If I select this one, it highlights that camera, and so on and so forth. In order to get the quality up, you need to make sure that under Tools, System Configuration, Image, the Auto Change Stream Type is not checkmarked. On default, when the software is installed, it's checkmarked, and you don't want that, so you want to uncheck it, save it. I don't need to do that because it's already saved, so I'll just close it, but don't forget to click the save button. Now, if I want to change the quality of this camera to higher quality, I can right click, click mainstream, and then I will double click left on the camera, double click again left, and it will start it up, and it will give us the full quality. Now, to make the camera bigger, all I did was just point with the mouse pointer and double click, and now I can see it at full screen. Okay, now to turn it back, I will go right click again, substream, and then double click left, and now it's lower quality. Okay, let's show you how to do remote playback. This is remote playback or local playback, it doesn't matter, works the same way. So click on remote playback. First thing you'll see this menu up on the top left corner. Click on the calendar, select the date and the time. So we're just going to select 08, so that's 8 o'clock in the morning till midnight, from 17th to 17th, so it's just on that date, and click OK. And then I can just take one of the cameras, hold left click, drag it over, throw it into one of the windows. Next thing I'll do is make the windows over here to 1, so I can just see that 1, and here is the full playback of the video, and it's always at the highest quality, so you don't need to play around with that. On the bottom here you'll see the pink line with a bunch of white lines coming through where there's no recording, because we set everything to motion recording, so it doesn't record dead space, so you don't have to sit in front of the computer for hours trying to find the video. You can also click on the left here on the mouse and drag it over. You see how the timeline is moving, and so is the time, and go right to the spot. So let's say 14:30 around, so that's 2:32, let's just say, and let's say something happened at this time. So you would pause the video, you would click on the arrow pointing down, it says download, click on that. It'll start loading up the videos. We want to go to 14:32, so we want to scroll down. There's the time. I'm actually scrolling up because it was all the way down already. So 14:32, let's just say 14:31, this video, 8.10 megabytes. We clicked on it, selected it, and you can see the time and date. And don't click on download player because we're not going to use the default player, and then just click download. Once the video is finished, it's going to pop up here on the right. Click on that and it opens up the folder instantly of where your video is located. Default location is Nvms7000 video, and then it's organized by date. These are just snapshot of the actual video, and then the actual video is MP4 format, and it can be played with GIM player. to get the GIM player and play this video, I'm going to open up Internet Explorer, and this is the website where you can download it pretty quick. NINITE.com. Go over there. You will click on GIM player, and you will click on Get Ninite, and it will download it and install it. And then you're going to be able to play this video by just double clicking on it, and it will actually play the video we just downloaded. I'm going to close this out. Of course, if you want to send this to anybody, you can use Dropbox. That's what we recommend, because these videos can be huge in size, and you can send it to whoever you'd like. So that's it for a short tutorial on how to be on the main view, look at your cameras, and how to do remote playback. Thank you very much.